Alright guys, I'm back with another video here. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix a noisy dryer. It sounds like it's kind of got a pair of shoes in it and it doesn't got nothing in it. Or nothing like that in it to make the sound. You see that wobble right there? That's the issue. What we're going to do is we're going to replace one of the drum rollers. So in order to do so, all you got to do, before we get started, make sure your appliance is unplugged. I'm always doing my work outside, but just to be on the safe side, what you're going to do with this model, if you have a similar model, you can go ahead and take your lint trap off, get you a Phillips head screwdriver. There'll be 2 bolts. And on this side, a little pressure behind that thing. It's on it. Alright, so once you got these 2 unscrewed, go ahead and set those screws off to the side somewhere where you can keep up with them. What we're going to do now, we're going to slide the machine out. What I like to do is I'll take my foot and I'll stick it at the bottom, and I'll just from the back, just like that, I'll slide the front up just like you see so. Just lift it, just like that. Do the same thing with this side. Stick your foot down there, slide that out, lift up just like that. What we're going to do, that's why I told you to slide it back, is we're going to sit the top back on the wall just like that. We'll take this time, usually I'll go ahead and inspect the belt. This one's got a very good, very nice belt on it. So what you're going to need is a 3/8 extension. Grab that. Put this on the drill real quick. Alright, so what we're going to do, let me show you exactly what I'm doing here, where I'm at. This is the front of the dryer. The 2 bolts we're about to take off is one right here and one right there. Alright, so before we take these 2 bolts off, what we're going to do, I'm in my unit right now and I don't have a flathead with me. All I've got is a Phillips head. What you're going to do, see if I can get it to focus here. That clip right there, you're going to stick a screwdriver or something behind it right there and pry it up, and it pops off just like so. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and remove these 2 3/8 bolts, set them off to the side. What we're going to do, and what I just did there, is you'll pull up just like this on both sides, and we'll take off the front. Alright, so once we've done that, you go over to this side, you pull up, we can just sit this whole door off to the side right here, just like that. When you come around here to this part, every video you see on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, wherever you're at, it's all gonna look the exact same like that when the dryer's right here. So what we're gonna do, in order to get this drum off, we're just gonna pull that just like so. And it pops off. And what we're going to do now, just grab the belt just like so. You pull that full tub directly out the dryer and set it off to the side. You can see right here, there's your culprit. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop this lock washer off right here. This lock pin right here. Pull it out, put this on, and we'll pop that back on there. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. Get it where you guys can see a little bit. As I'm doing this, alright, so all we're gonna do is I'll take a flathead screwdriver and we'll go around each corner. When you buy a new one, it should come with one of these. If not, just be careful while you're removing this one. This is what that looks like right there. Alright, so what you're gonna do now is just pull this off, and this slides right out. You wanna hold on to this little washer right here. Let me see if I can show you here. You can see this is the one I'm about to put on here. And the one that I'm taking off has waddled the hole bigger, and the whole thing is just worn down. You can see that. There's no waddle. Show you the difference. That causes that sound when the jar's running. So what we're going to do now is you're going to take your pin and pop it down in place. And now just slide this middle part back down, just like so, and it's fixed. So what I'm going to do now, it's just something that I like to do. I recommend going ahead and doing it before you put your jar back together. You see that? You see the polish right there. Definitely help prevent a fire hazard. Very much recommend cleaning out your drawers. Much better. You can see the pile of gunk. So what we're going to do now, we'll come over here, we'll pick up our tub. And on the tub here, you'll see there's a piece of plastic on one side and there's felt on the other. The felt's going to go against the back part because the front already has the felt for the plastic to go around. Just slide the tub right back between these grooves. Be careful because you don't want to cause any damage to your belt. go ahead and line the belt back up. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna come under here. We're gonna take this pulley. Let me show you. There's a groove right there that you're gonna stick it in, and it locks itself in place basically, just like so. All right, so on the back of it, it's got two little teeth kind of. You want to stick it in. Just like that. All right, so all we're gonna do now is you're gonna take it, sit it on top of the pulley, and we'll get the pulley in place there. And you take your belt, and you pull it through it. Let me show you. Let me make sure we're all zooming in on it. Okay, so what we're doing now is you're gonna get it off. So just pull it right over that. All you have to do is pull the pulley to you. Pop it right over that outer pulley right there. And it's back together. So what we do now that we've got it cleaned up, we've got the drum roller replaced. We're gonna go ahead and grab our door. It's very simple with the door right here. You can see it's got a little lip, and there's a groove right there. You sit on the lip, and it drops in place. So all you gotta do is make sure your tub right here is sitting in place like it should be. You walk around over here to this side and do the same thing, just like so. Just lift it up until you find the groove. Once you find the groove, pop it in place. And grab your 2 3/8 bolts. What I like to do is I like to store them by hand, make it a little easier. Now we'll grab the drill. And we'll tighten both sides up. And the door switch is very simple. You just take it and you line the triangles up, or whichever shape it is. And just make sure you hear it pop back in place and clip. And you tuck that in the side right there. Make sure you got your clips hanging it and holding it on the side of the dryer there. And right here, just pull the lid down and you just snap it back down on both sides. And you make sure your lint trap holes are lined up. Grab your 2 Phillips head screws. I like to start those by hand as well, so you don't drop them back down in there and have to take it all the way back off. That's not no fun. Very simple fix, you can do at home. Instead of buying a whole nother dryer, paying somebody a lot of money to fix it for you, you can buy a belt very cheap at your local appliance store. And you can do it yourself. Thanks for watching.